Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be discussing one of the most important aspects of our lives which we usually neglect, that is savings. Savings refer to the money that a person has left over after they subtract out their consumer spending from their disposable income over a given time period. Today, in this era of COVID pandemic, ensuring some amount of savings has become our priority in order to live a quality life. World Savings Day is celebrated each year on 30th of October and is an event created to increase the public's awareness on the importance of savings, both for modern economies and for individuals alike. Savings is important in the global economy and every depositor contributes to its development. The World Savings Day was established on October 31, 1924, during the first International Savings Bank Congress in Milano, Italy. World Savings Day or World Thrift Day was established to inform people all around the world about the idea of saving their money in a bank rather than keeping it under their mattress. Like every year, this year as well, World Savings Day has a theme, that is, understanding the importance of savings. The high rate of unemployment and poverty is still prevalent in many regions of the world, and thus, educating people on saving and influencing them to save money is very important. Savings are crucial for preparing for the bad days of life. It is especially important during the days when generating income gets hindered due to several reasons such as illness, loss of job, disability, old age, or most recent incident of COVID-19 disease pandemic. Savings also form the basis for investment and for earning more income. Savings also help an individual in achieving their dreams or goals, such as starting a business, healthcare treatment, receiving a good education, or purchasing a home. For this, World Savings Day is globally celebrated in order to promote savings in common people. It reminds us of the importance of regularly saving for having a protection net. Some tips can be followed for saving money, like to have a goal to save specific amount, make a budget and track your spending, cut out unnecessary spending, set aside money regularly by investing money in mutual funds, savings account etc. Saving wants from needs.
वो क्या है जो आता हुआ अच्छा लगता है लेकिन जाता हुआ नहीं।
एक और हिंट, ये चीज जाती है हर महीने पर आती है 3 महीने में एक बार।
ब्याज, इंटरेस्ट।
लोन पे तो इंटरेस्ट बैंक हर महीने लेते हैं,
लेकिन सेविंग्स अकाउंट में इंटरेस्ट देते हैं 3 महीने में एक बार।
ऐसा क्यों?
एयू बैंक के सेविंग्स अकाउंट में इंटरेस्ट मिलता है हर महीने,
मतलब साल में 12 बार।
एयू बैंक, बदलाव हमसे है।
There are many modes of savings like mutual funds, share market, fixed deposit account, budgeting, and savings account. Mutual funds contain investments linked to the stock market, which can rise and fall along with the money you invested. The decision to put money away in mutual funds depends on how much you want your investments to grow and risks you are willing to take.
यस कितना टाइम ले रहा है यार, जल्दी टीम बना।
भाई क्रिकेट टीम होता तो मैं यूं ही बना लेता, बट फुटबॉल में कौन सा प्लेयर कितना अच्छा है मुझे क्या पता।
यहाँ देख ले सारे प्लेयर की परफॉर्मेंस।
वाह भाई, काश म्यूचुअल फंड्स में भी ऐसा होता, सारे फंड्स और उनके परफॉर्मेंस देखने मिल जाते।
तो है ना, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है .com पर जा, वहाँ पे हर फंड का परफॉर्मेंस देखने मिल जाएगा।
नाइस।
लेकिन सिर्फ 5 परफॉर्मेंस पे मत जाना, आगे क्या होगा किसी को नहीं पता है।
बात तो सही है।
तेरे को दिखा था रुका पीछे।
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
Setting money aside is ultimately the first step for investing in share markets because without it, you are not ready to take on the risk of putting your money in the market. The return on your investment in share market is earned through speculation. An investment can be held for long if you are confident enough that your holdings won't depreciate. Fixed deposit is a type of term deposit which is considered to be one of the safest investment options available. It is offered mostly by all the banks and financial institutions and ranges from 7 days to 10 years. It helps you to save money for a longer tenure as it doesn't allow you to withdraw your money before maturity. A budget helps you to identify the areas in which you spend and take necessary steps to curtail expenditure on those items that are non essential and unnecessary. Household expenses often spiral out of control because we have no idea about how the family's total outgoings are created. Savings accounts have some limitations on how often you can withdraw funds, but generally offer exceptional flexibility that's ideal for building an emergency fund, saving for a short-term goals like buying a car, going on a vacation. At last, I would say saving money is crucial for everyone's future. It is important not only on an individual level but also at national level as it brings down the poverty rate of a country, thereby contributing largely towards the economic development. World Savings Day reminds people to join hands in the mission of savings. It influences different banks, schools, people, and the community to let the fervor of savings continue and spread everywhere possible. Thank you.